Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to see different English words which we can replace good and very good. Good is so good that we hardly ever think twice before using it. Example, how are you today? The answer is good. How does the coffee taste? Again, we say the word good as the answer. It means the coffee is nice. The coffee tastes nice. Are you boring with the usage of the word good and very good? Here are some synonyms that might be a better way to say good and very good. Excellent, marvelous. If something is extremely good, you can use the word marvelous. Phenomenal. It means the thing we are referring is very good and impressive. We can use tremendous instead of saying very good. If it is extremely good, you can use the word tremendous. Next, mind-blowing. If it is extremely impressive and surprising, you can use the word mind-blowing. Fantabulous. The thing is extremely wonderful. You can use the word fantabulous. Amazing. It means it is so good and surprising. Instead of saying very good, you can use the word amazing. Fantastic. If it is extremely good, you can use the word fantastic. Lovely, wonderful, terrific. If it is very great, you can use the word terrific. So far we have learned some of the words which we can replace good and very good. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.